Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can record your voice professionally on Android. So if you want to record your voice on Android device, it requires the right setup, tools, and techniques. And through this video, I'm going to show you a guide to help you achieve high quality voice recordings. So first, you need to use a high quality microphone. You can use an external microphone, so invest in a USB or TRRS compatible external microphone for better sound quality. You can use a Blue Yeti Nano, Rode VideoMic, or others, and ensure the compatibility with your Android device and use adapters if necessary. You can also use a built-in microphone, but if using one, you need to choose a quiet environment and position the phone close to your mouth without distortion. Second one, you can also download a professional audio recording app. So you can use an app such as, let's find, you can use a Dolby on, sorry, this one, Dolby on. You can also use apps like BandLab. This one is a full audio workstation with editing capability, so you can also edit the audio in here, or you can also use HiQ MP3 voice recorder or Wave editor. And you can also optimize your recording environment, so you can minimize background noise by recording in a quiet room. And to have a soundproof sound, you can use blankets, pillows, or a pop-up sound booth to reduce echoes. And if you are using an external mic, you can also add a pop filter to reduce plosive sounds like p or b. And don't forget to adjust your device settings, so ensure your device is set to airplane mode to avoid interruptions. You can just swipe and turn it on, this one. And after that, you can also disable notifications and alarms during the recording session, and use the app settings to select the highest audio quality format. And don't forget to record with proper technique. So position the microphone about 6 to 12 inches from your mouth, speak clearly, and add a consistent volume. And avoid excessive movement to prevent handling noise. And if you want to edit your audio, you can use audio editing apps like Audacity if you are using a PC, or Lexis audio editor on Android. So you can remove background noise, normalize audio levels on apply, or apply EQ, compressions, and reverb for a polished sound. And don't forget to always do a test recording to ensure settings and environment are optimized, and review your recording to identify areas for improvement. And that's pretty much all. I hope these tips will be helpful for you. So don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. Bye.